Hi guys, so right now we're playing hide and go seek, me and Rocco. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and notification. And most definitely hit on that notifications. Rocco's already hiding, so I better find him. Rocco!
No, you can't do that!
I feel like he's in the pantry.
He's not.
Make sure he's not in the pantry. I feel like he's... Did you put him in the garage?
No, I didn't. I kept him inside.
Oh yeah, well the door is open. Is Mom recording him? Nope, it's not outside. I could fit him upstairs.
You know that, right? I could have fit going down the stairs.
I want to check downstairs. Check in the
He's
playroom.
not in Mom's room either.
Why would you say that unless he was?
He's not. I am not allowed to hide him.
So I'm going to check in there. Rocco. Rocco! Where would Rocco be? Rocco's like nowhere. And dang, she hit Rocco good. Rocco.
Told you he's not in there.
You hit Rocco good.
I did.
Oh my god.
He's not in there.
Rocco! Roxanne! Checking if he's out. Checking if he's outside. Rocco! Make sure he's not. Back there? Nope. I just stepped in mud for nothing. Look how muddy it is. Yeah, so he's not outside. He's gone. Let's go back inside. Walker's in there, like so impressed. Rocco!
Hey, you can't do that.
Yeah, the only place left to check downstairs is in the last room.
Oh, I just peeked. He's not in any of the
Making sure
cabinets.
he's not in the trash can.
Bro, he's not trash.
Did he put him in here?
No.
Well, that would be fun.
Do you give up?
No, I would never give up. Even though it's already been 2 minutes, 50 seconds.
Okay, we're going upstairs, guys.
Make sure he's not right there. I feel like she put him in her room. Rocco. Yeah?
He's only downstairs.
But you said he was upstairs.
I was begging.
Well, I'm gonna check upstairs. Maybe she somehow got him in the closet. No.
I did not pretty sure.
That would be like super self. Let's try in Gavin's room.
He's not in there.
Not in there?
No.
Oh, Gavin's in there. Right.
Have you give up yet?
No. You know, he's down here. Every time you go somewhere, I'd fix it so his face wouldn't come out. He was right there. He's sad now because I tortured him. I'm sorry. Oh gosh. Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. I need to give him some loving.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Dude, come here to your mommy. Oh. Did she torture you? Stand right there. Did she torture you? Okay, now they can see. Did she torture the baby?
Yes,
So I'm giving a giveaway. Oh God. Giving a giveaway. So how to get in this giveaway is it's it's not a big prize at all. You comment down the best way I can contact you and tell you you won. And the winning prize is $1. You'll get $1 if you put on the notification, say, let me sure you subscribe, like, and most definitely turn on your notifications. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.